Good evening, teacher, and hello everyone. Today we are so happy to stand and tell you about our presentation. First of all, we would like to give you our highly respected teacher and say hello to our beloved friend. Before going to tell you all about our topic, we would like to introduce ourselves first. My name I'm 13 years old. We are studying at IT school in the world TP for we touched by teacher T. Well, let's go to our topic. Our topic we are going to tell you all today is four skills of studying. So our student is always want to be an outstanding student and study well. But did you know that to be a good student or study well, you have to have these four skills, and these four skills will go. And these four skills is reading, speaking, listening, and writing. And these four skills we are going to explaining to you all today. And the first one we are going to explain to you guys is one reading. To be good at reading, we should try to understand uh, the main word first before understand the in detail. We should try. We should practice every day, so just 10 to 15 minutes. When we see a new word, we can we can understand it. Uh, Reading will help us improve our vocabulary and understanding. Three, speaking. Speaking is the actual practical skill of using verb, cause, verb, and grammar to communicate. Throws, emotion, and verbally.
Writing is the part of the body that think that some students select their idea and experience to write on the paper to introduce their future.
So, based on our explanation, we know that to be a good student or study well or to be an outstanding student or smarter, we should have we have to have these four skills, and these four skills is reading, speaking, listening, and writing. And we already tell you guys, uh, about how to be good at it. And I highly recommend to you guys to um, and I highly recommend you guys to have these four skills in yourselves to be an outstanding student or good student, smarter, and study well to have a bright future, good job, well paid, and live in happiness. Thank you all for listening to our explanation, and goodbye.